faster! Woohoo! Riding faster! Ah, watch out! Oh! My arm, that hurt. Ouch, my knee.
We're coming!
Are you okay?
What happened here? Sophia, are you okay?
I fell off my bicycle.
Oh, sweetie, it's okay. William, what happened?
I fell, Dad.
Oh, my boy, it's okay. How did this happen?
I was riding too fast and hit a bump.
It's all right, we'll get you fixed up. Your daughter wasn't watching!
Excuse me? Your son was skating too fast. This is the best breakfast. I'm glad you like it, sweetie.
It really is delicious.
Love you guys. Mom, Dad, can I play outside? Okay, sweetie, but finish your breakfast first.
Okay, but stay in the yard where we can see you.
Time to make the bed, Dad.
Great, let's get it all neat.
I'll get the books.
Perfect, you're a great helper.
All done.
Great job, buddy.
Dad, now can I ride my skateboard?
Okay, son. Good morning.
Good morning, William.
Do you want to play with me?
Yes, let's go together.
Hey, Sophia, watch this. I'm gonna try a new trick.
Be careful, William.
Don't worry. I've got this.
All right, Ty, just don't fall.
Watch this one. Watch me go faster, Sophia.
Hey, wait up.
Can't catch me now.
Whee! Skateboarding is the best. Whoa, carving this turn. Whee! This is so much fun. I could ride all day. Riding faster. Me too. Woo! This is awesome. Yeah, faster.
Faster. Woohoo! This is awesome.
Watch out! Oh!
My arm, that hurt.
Ouch, my knee.
We're coming!
Are you okay?
What happened here? Sophia, are you okay?
I fell off my bicycle.
Oh, sweetie, it's okay. William, what happened?
I fell, Dad.
Oh, my boy, it's okay. How did this happen?
I was riding too fast and hit a bump.
It's all right, we'll get you fixed up. Your daughter wasn't watching!
Excuse me? Your son was skating too fast. This wouldn't have happened if you supervised him better.
He's a kid! You can't blame me for that!
He's your responsibility.
Don't blame us! Your child was careless!
Careless, he needs to be watched.
He knows the rules. Accidents happen.
Sophia, I didn't mean to crash into you.
I know. I didn't mean it either.
It was just an accident.
Yes. We were just playing.
I'm really sorry.
Me too. I forgive you.
Enough! You two are not allowed to play together anymore. Go inside now. No more playing.
But we didn't do it on purpose.
Please, it was an accident.
No discussion. Go home.
This is final. Let's go. We're leaving.
Dad, what are you doing?
I'm replying to some messages on my phone.
Oh, okay. Hi, Sophia. Hi, William.
I want to apologize for the mistake I made the other day.
It's okay. It was also our mistake.
Really?
Yes. I'm happy we can play together again.
Me too. Playing without you was boring.
That's true. I can't play alone either. It's not fun.
Do you want to play tag?
Yes, let's play together.
Yeah, that sounds fun.
Let's ride the skateboard.
Okay, let's go.
This is fun. Yeah, hold on. Your turn, William. I'm so glad we are friends again. Me too, William.
William! What are you doing?
Dad, we're just playing together.
Sophia, why are you playing with William?
Mom, we already apologized to each other.
Apologies don't fix everything, Sophia.
William, I already told you not to play with Sophia.
But Dad, we are friends.
Sophia, you should not play with him anymore.
But Mom, we enjoy playing together. Dad, please understand, we are not fighting anymore.
No, you two cannot play together.
Mom, please. Enough. We are going home.
Dad, please don't be angry.
Come home with me now.
Bye, William. Bye.
Uchira.
I miss William. I feel so lonely. I wish I could play with Sophia again.
Why do you look so sad, Sophia?
Because I miss William. We didn't mean to hurt each other. Is this my fault? I only wanted to protect her and maybe I was too strict.
You look unhappy, William. Why?
I don't have anyone to play with that one.
Maybe I judged too quickly.
I think I made a mistake. They were just children playing.
Yes, we shouldn't let anger separate them.
You're right. We need to talk to them. They didn't mean any harm.
Let's allow them to play again.
William, you're here!
Sophia, I missed you!
I missed you too! Let's play!
Yes, I brought my skateboard.
Let's be more careful this time. Yes, and let's always talk if something happens. Wow, the park is so pretty! Yeah, let's go see the lake. Look, the trees are so green, and the flowers are blooming. I love this park. The flowers are so colorful. Oh, look at all the reds and yellows. This is the best park ever. Let's ride closer to smell them.